ensures safe, hands-free driving, easy navigation, and accessibility, keeping your phone secure and your focus on the road. My today's video is about top 5 best car phone holder that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Andiri Car Phone Holder from MagSafe. The best car phone holder is a game changer for safe, convenient driving. Its 360 degrees rotation and 210 degrees dual axis adjustment allow effortless switching between portrait and landscape modes, while the folding design reduces its size by 50% when not in use, keeping your dashboard clutter-free. Built to last, it has been tested over 3,000 times for durability, ensuring smooth, stable operation. Equipped with advanced vacuum suction, it offers a 45% stronger hold than traditional mounts, supporting up to 78 pounds even on bumpy roads or in extreme temperatures, minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. The 22N55 magnets provide 200% stronger magnetic force, securely holding up to 50 phones through sharp turns and sudden stops. Its circular cooling design prevents overheating during long drives, protecting battery life and performance. Broadly compatible with all MagSafe devices and many phone models, it installs in just 1 second, delivering a secure, hassle-free, and efficient driving experience. This holder truly combines strength, stability, and convenience for every driver. Now our second product is Van Maas Cell Phone Holder Truck. The 2026 Van Maas Car Phone Holder sets a new benchmark in quality, durability, and safety, trusted by over 9,900,000 users worldwide. Backed by international certifications including military-grade shockproof, CP65, Reach, and Rose, is crafted from top-tier materials selected from 20,900 options, ensuring long-lasting performance even under extreme driving conditions. Rigorous tests, monthly 5,000 plus open/close cycles, and 100,000 plus chem rugged road trials guarantee unmatched reliability. Its industry-leading suction force, 85 pounds, and steel cord vent clip structure provide ultimate stability, while the 3-level adjustable clip fits 99% of car vents without scratching. The exclusive high-strength materials withstand temperatures from minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, maintaining safe and secure phone holding. Designed for maximum comfort, the ergonomic cradle legs and lower back release button make one-handed operation effortless, supporting even the largest phones. The package includes a suction mount and vent clip combo, along with a 360 degrees rotatable telescopic arm for the perfect viewing angle. Van Maas combines luxury, safety, and performance for an unparalleled driving experience. Our third product is Lamicall 2026 Car Phone Holder Vent. The Lamicall Car Phone Holder is a perfect blend of stability, versatility, and protection for your device. Featuring innovative 4-lock protection, it firmly grips both vertical and horizontal air vents, ensuring your phone stays secure even on sharp turns or bumpy roads. Its hook extension, 10 to 29 millimeters, accommodates most vent sizes, though it's not compatible with round vents. Designed with thick case compatibility, the upgraded arms and fully adjustable foot securely hold phones in wallet or battery cases, while the ultra-thick silicone back layer keeps devices scratch-free. Constructed from soft silicone and durable PC plus ABS materials, it resists wear and heat, performing flawlessly in extreme temperatures from minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit to 194 degrees F. The 360-degree rotation allows effortless switching between portrait and landscape views, perfect for navigation, calls, or media control. Installation is quick and simple, just 2 steps for a hassle-free setup. Combining durability, practicality, and sleek design, this Lamicall holder ensures a safe, convenient, and comfortable driving experience for every user. Now number 4, Remuto Phone Holders. The multifunction car phone holder is a versatile, high-performance solution for safe and convenient driving. Its flexible installation options allow placement on dashboards, windshields, air vents, and even non-car surfaces like mirrors, shower walls, or kitchen counters, making it ideal for driving, cooking, or hands-free activities. Perfect for Lyft drivers and commuters, it adapts to virtually any environment. Equipped with extended steel metal hooks, the holder securely grips both vertical and horizontal vent blades, ensuring stability even during sharp turns or sudden stops. Its high-performance adhesive pad sticks firmly to dashboards, resisting extreme hot or cold temperatures, keeping your phone in place under all conditions. Designed for one-handed operation, it allows drivers to safely place or retrieve their phone without distraction. The adjustable clamp arms and feet accommodate large and thick phones, supporting iPhone 12 to 17 series, Galaxy S21, S24, and even phones in OtterBox or wallet cases. Combining durability, flexibility, and ergonomic design, this mount delivers a secure, convenient, and worry-free driving experience. And our last choice is iAudi Universal Car Mount Phone Holder Desk. The Easy One Touch Car Phone Mount is a seamless blend of convenience, security, and versatility. Its patented one-touch mechanism allows you to mount or remove your phone with a single hand in seconds. Simply press the sidearms and place your device against the trigger, and the arms automatically secure it. This ensures safe, distraction-free operation while driving. Designed with wide compatibility, the mount's universal cradle fits smartphones of all sizes, even with bulky cases. The magnetic cord organizer keeps charging cables neatly in place, preventing clutter and tangles during commutes. The telescopic arm, now extending from 5 to 8 inches with 260 degrees pivot, provides fully customizable viewing angles, making it perfect for navigation, calls, or media. The adjustable bottom foot adds extra stability, easily secured by the spring button for a snug fit. Combining ergonomic design, robust build, and intelligent features, this mount transforms your driving experience, keeping your phone secure, accessible, and perfectly positioned at all times. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.